Fine art prints require extremely controlled detail, so the final image looks beautiful both on screen and on paper. Today, how to create precise fine art prints. Open Photoshop and create a large canvas around 4,500 by 3,000 pixels at 300 dpi for high-resolution output. Import your artwork or photograph and duplicate the background layer so the original file stays protected. Begin by opening the Camera Raw filter and slightly increase texture while adjusting clarity just enough to reveal surface details without exaggerating them. Duplicate the image layer and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius around